I'm just gonna sit still, look pretty while she
the producer.
Let's melt this wig. But instead of us using what I usually use, which is the Got To Be, I was just recently out of town and my cousin's friend was telling me how she used the black Eco. What? Wait, no. She was telling me how she used the black Got To Be, and I'm like, I wouldn't have thought that worked because it reminds me of Eco Styler. And she was like, yeah, she do hair and whatever. She was like, yeah, I use it because it dries clear. And I'm like, wow, that's really smart. So I'm like, maybe this will work. So let's try it. Laying your wig with Eco Styler. Let's see if she works. Ooh, did you just see that? I just spit a lot. A good time. So we're just gonna apply this like we would apply our Eco Styler. And then we're going to let her marinate. My forehead's big. I got a tan because I was wearing a wig the whole time I was out of town. So let's not talk about it. This hair is from Yolissa hair. She's a lace front wig girl. She's cute, fun, fresh. 22 inches. Cute little texture. Cute little I hate when I try to like put, what am I trying to say? I hate when I try to put like, use my phone as a mirror because that like does not work. But yeah. The thing about Eco Styler, because I was trying to use it yesterday, you know, I was experimenting. She tends to dry a little slow, so we might have to sit with the scarf on just a little bit. My underarms are so freaking dark. Can someone please recommend me something? Because I'm tired of it. I'm like genuinely over it. Seriously. So she's real wet. We're gonna just push her up. Pop a squat. I don't know why I was gonna say pop a squat. What am I trying to say? Pop a scarf on. What the fuck? I think I should go back to sleep. Hold on, let me look this way. Now let's put a scarf on, shiz. Well, not even a scarf, but I got this strip of fabric that I like to use to lay my edges because they don't get dried out. They don't get dried out. Kind of cute, kind of fun, a little bit fresh. Just a little bit. Yeah, my underarms pissing me off. Okay, so we're gonna let this marinate on, sis. You feels? I already got this section off, so I'm just gonna slick her up. I feel like should I show this part? Maybe not, because I mean, all I'm doing is a ponytail. While my hair is being laid, let me show you what comes in the box. I love the curls. And this is how she came fresh out the box. Like, I didn't even Like, I didn't even do nothing. Hey girl, hey. So, in the box comes a wig cap, care instruction. I hate when this does this. Care instructions on how to care for your weave. Some elastic just in case you want to, do her up. And then we got the bag for your wig. That's cute. Sometimes I be like wanting to make these bags, because I get a lot of these bags into like actual like satin bonnets. But I feel like that's just like dragging it. Is it? Maybe not. But yeah, that's what it comes in. This week is a 13. The frontal portion of it is a 13 by 4, which is pretty decent. And then it's a 22-inch natural color, the whole 9. There aren't any bleach knots, but there is a comb in the back, adjustable straps, the whole 9. So we got all of that for you. I'm acting like I made the wig. We got all that for you, and I'm just gonna sit still, look pretty while she dries up. We're gonna see if this is like a hit or a miss, because I just don't like using super harsh adhesives. Got to be, it is a gel, but in my mind that's an adhesive. On my edges, because I feel like even if you properly take it off over time, it's just not gonna, it's not. My forehead already big. Don't need my hairline to go back any further, so we just gonna nip that in the bud now. Rambling. Okay, so this is how she looks. Do I think this is practical? No. Maybe I probably should have sat under the dryer with her, but I just felt like I should need to do that. So I'm not going to. But I guess if you're not really like doing nothing, then maybe she could work. But I just feel like this ain't it. I mean, that's not what it's meant for. But like, maybe I need to try the black Eco Styler. Why do I keep saying? I keep getting my words mixed up. The black got to be, because that's what she said she used. But it's laying down. But like, I just feel like it's not secure enough. Like I can't go to the club and sis, and that's what I need. But it's not really what the video's about. The video's about this hair, and the hair is really soft. She's cute, love the curls, all of that, the whole 9. She looks really natural too, even though the knots are not bleached. I put foundation. I can remember. I put foundation on the lace. I didn't bleach my knots, and I actually didn't pluck it more than it was already like.
One other thing that I would like to mention is that this is a transparent lace wig. So basically the transparent lace does melt into the skin way better, and it basically takes the color of anything that is put on top of it. So it just blends in with the skin way better. Please note that this is not completely transparent, but it's like a light brown, and overall it does blend a lot better.
So that's good. She's cute. She's work-wittable. What? But yeah. Eco Styler, the coconut one, as like a holding gel adhesive. I mean, wig adhesive. Bro, I need to start reading the dictionary, because I obviously just did words. What are they? But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Period. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.